Yogastvo. I am, I am, I am. You know, I teach you I am meditation. In the morning, I was thinking when I got up from my bed, am I bored? Am I disciplined? Am I living my life these days perfectly? In this lockdown corona culture, am I making good use of this time or I'm utterly frustrated, disappointed and all? Sometimes people ask me a philosophical question, great spiritual question you also know. Sir, where does this soul come from and where does it go after the body dies and all? So I always say, and it's a spiritual rule as well, that this soul comes from nowhere and it does not go anywhere also. It is always there. This soul is very existence. And whatever exists in it, whatever, we, you, many objects, many material things and all, they are subject to coming and going. They are subject to taking birth and dying out or becoming, perishing or getting destroyed. But your very being, your very I, your very existence, it remains. So you also, you always remain, you always stay, you always alive. I am always alive. See, as a body, you and I, they take birth. I was there when I took birth. I was there in my childhood. I was there in my youth, when I was young. I'll be there in my old age. And I will be there existing after this body and all. Everything changes. All things can come and go. But this I will remain same eternally. So you are an eternal being. I am an eternal being. Whether I am watching एक दूजे के लिए or I am living अपने लिए, I am there. I am there when I was sick. I was there also when I was very healthy. I was there when I was a very poor person. I will be there when I will reach to the height of riches. I will be achieving so many things. I was there when somebody was trying to insult me or looking down upon me or doing something wrong to me. I was also there present when I was receiving applauses and appreciation for something. So these things can come and go. These situations can come and go. Even your very philosophy, your ideology, your concept, they change. They change according to the time, to the social environment, fashion, technological development and all. Not even your philosophy remains the same throughout your life. It keeps changing. Your emotions change. Sometimes you become romantic, you feel like Dharmender, as if you are going to hug the life. At other time you are sad and gloomy, very, very sad, frustrated, disappointed. At other time you are brooding over like an intelligent man, as if you are going to create something. At other time you are so funny, love, and living your life with full of love and romance. But these emotions also keep changing, you notice? I notice. My ideology, my philosophy, my health, my body, my emotions, even my changing mental patterns, this society's rules, they all keep changing. But notice one thing, you remain there to witness all. I stay there to witness all. I never change. Notice, you always there. And if you can anyhow be with this I-ness, I-amness, with this being, the very core of you, the existence itself, then you will gain the calmness. You will reach the state of harmony. You will be awake, aware and blissful as well. So always remember, Satat Smaran, I always remind you to keep remembering time to time, if not all the time, that you are there. Nothing can happen to you. Even after some month or a year, we would be laughing over this lockdown and all, and maybe some of you will be repenting, oh, we could have done this in this lockdown, we just got frustrated and all and all. What was the time? Maybe for this very time you would be repenting. So make the best use of every moment, of every time, of every situation, of every ideology, of every philosophy, or whatever you are living. Attend to your present day, attend to your present moment. No 2 days are same. Actually, today I am just speaking about it as one of my dearest student and friend. She was speaking something. She sent a message. No 2 days are same. No two persons are same. No two situations are same. No two emotions are same. Even your very thought and your very deep desires are not same. Your desires change. So in this changing, transient, ephemeral world of material, in this material world, everything changes. Only you remain. And you remain what? You remain established in your very being. That is, in your very soul, in your very self. And that is being Yogastha. So please remember, Yogastha Bhav.